And then we moved out to Long Island. My mother came to visit, and this was all the way out in Suffolk County, and it was really, really the wilderness at that time. Not now, but wilderness at that time. I mean, we planted things in the garden, and there was potatoes. There used to be potato farm. We lived for a year when we had to go to the post office to get mail because the street had not been dedicated yet. It was Verbena Drive, 42 Verbena Drive. My mother's first comment: "How are you going to raise Jewish children?" Says, "All Goyim do." Says, "No Goyim, they no Goyim." I said, "Don't worry, we'll do it." And there we are. And we were there a very short while before Joyce was born. Some people we knew said, "There's going to be a meeting in the room at the firehouse." A meeting? Yeah, some Jewish people are meeting at some room in the firehouse. Okay, firehouse down the road, Commack Road. And we went, and there were 9 families there. 9 families. And the question came up, a vote. Shall there or shall there not be the Commack Jewish Center? And it was unanimous. And the Commack Jewish Center was organized. And they started out at a storefront in the little shopping center nearby. And that lasted a short while. And then they moved, bought a house. Someone's home, a multi-story split-level house. And this was the Commack Jewish Center. I needed a nursery school for my daughter, and I didn't like the commercial places around. So I and 4 or 5 other women got together, some of whom had actual teaching background, and organized the Commack Jewish Center Nursery School, to which all of my children, well, most of them, because we moved, my 2 older children went. The Commack Jewish Center Nursery School is still in existence. Still in existence, and my oldest daughter is 56. So, there we are.